See, the key to being successful is planting. You've got to plant. Now, when you plant seeds, young people, you can't expect a harvest in 30 days. The harvest don't come in 30 days. You got to plant your seed, and sometimes the harvest don't come for years. Everything is not instant. So here's what I do. Get a row, and I drop seeds in the ground. Then I go back and I cover them up with dirt. I dig another row, and I plant some more seeds. I got about 10 rows planted. I look back at the first row, and it's starting to sprout. Some stuff starting to come out the ground. I don't go back to that first row and just start eating, because it ain't really bearing no fruit right now. You can't eat the stalks and the leaves. You got to wait till it bears fruit. In the meantime, you got to keep planting. You're going to look up in about 5 years, you're going to look back and something you planted 5 years ago going to have a lot of fruit on it. Then you can go back and start partaking of that fruit. But the reason you got to keep planting is because sometimes you're going to get rained out. Sometimes it's going to be a drought. The pesticides / haters is going to do what they do to your planted crops. Now, you got to mentally be prepared for that. But the planting process can never stop. If I could tell anybody anything, keep planting seeds and never stop planting, because you have no idea when God gonna drop all the necessary rain and you look up and everything you need is right there.